Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of computer connectivity standards, PCIe and CXL. Let us explore how they shape our digital experience. First, let us talk about PCIe or Peripheral Component Interconnect Express. A standard in computer expansion, PCIe revolutionized how devices like GPUs and SSDs talk to the motherboard. It is all about lanes. Imagine them as high-speed highways, with data zooming at breakneck speeds. Over the years, PCIe has evolved, with PCIe 5.0 and 6.0 offering mind-blowing rates. But it is not just about fast data. PCIe versatility and backward compatibility make it a cornerstone of modern computing. But technology never sleeps. Enter CXL or Compute Express Link. CXL is built on the PCIe 5.0 physical infrastructure but leaps forward. It is designed for high-performance computing, tackling the challenges of data centers and AI applications. CXL uniquely facilitates coherency and memory sharing between the CPU and devices. It means faster data processing and less bottlenecking, a dream for complex computations. So, how do PCIe and CXL stack up? PCIe is the backbone of general computing, a versatile and robust standard here to stay. Conversely, CXL specializes in niche yet crucial, high-end computing tasks. It is like comparing a reliable truck, PCIe, with a high-speed train, CXL. Both are essential but serve different purposes. In conclusion, PCIe and CXL are both vital in our computing journey. PCIe continues to connect many devices efficiently, while CXL paves the way for the future of data-intensive applications. As technology advances, expect these standards to evolve, driving us towards an even faster and more connected digital end. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for more semiconductor insights.